dancehall, the king of dancehall.
Vybz Kartel they are road, you know.
Yeah, man.
Wait.
Change it.
Yeah.
Nobody can mess with Vybz Kartel. He's the king of dancehall. Always been and always will be. You can never change that, right, Golfer? Why can't stop?
Never, 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 ever. What? Oh, the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already. When I come for represent a full effecting man. You don't know what go when I load up. Aim up. Crank up. Draw necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying one on YouTube entertainment business. What? The nation people. It can't get no more electrifying than that. No gimmicks thing not in a me game, no lollipop thing not in a it. So right now, I see the world boss forward out of prison dancehall change again. The movements, the groove, everything change. Upon the internet change. Upon the ground in a dancehall itself change. Even dancehall color change. No bumbuckler gimmicks thing not in a it. And even the girls them a get extra love up now from them man. Every bumbuckler thing change. No man no more matty again. Every man turn loving there and a bus kiss pan girl in a public. No gimmicks thing not in a me game, no lollipop thing not in a it no nation people. You don't know me a concrete stepper, so watch out make me step no man. Hear me. The world boss forward out of prison when time them bust the penitentiary gate. And the big man walk out in a full blood clot white and orange. And that changed the whole of blood clot dancehall. So dancehall color change right now. So all of a sudden now, artists are go up on stage with them rascal head tie up with orange rascal kerchief and orange kerchief on them rascal loop tie up on them pants and on them on. What a blood clotty. Nobody never know them could have do that till the world boss forward out of GP. Me bumbo rascal. So when me say Vybz Kartel and me say dancehall himself. Awesome, look up Brambles Clifford did I go like say gimmicks thing or a lollipop thing. Eh? The world boss forward out and everybody in a blood clot white and orange and red now. Eh? What? The whole country I go paint in a white and orange now. Or white and red. No bumbo clot. What a relief from a new system breeze. I can't believe it, the blood clot. It take the world boss for forward out of prison after 13 blood clot here. For make man know say you can't act like you matter to the girl them. You have to love up the girl them. The world boss forward out and drop na the back of the limo with him rascal buckler champagne and him browning beside him and say, yo, give me, kiss me baby, and the whole blood clot internet turn upside down. Every woman blood clot and them mother in a rascal backseat in a vehicle tell them girl kiss me baby, and all who know girl draw girl pan cardboard and I kiss the cardboard kiss me baby. And the first me ever bumbo clot see nothing like this to pussy clot. And then una ask about if the world boss I go fit in. Ask dancehall if them can fit in with the blood clot world boss. And the world boss name Mr. Dancehall. What the fuck una talk about? Eh? Dancehall gone away from the world boss. The world boss left dancehall right here, so which part him hand can reach it. Nobody never take it and put it up there, so where him hand can blood clot reach it. It's still the right now him hand bumbo clot reach. As him forward out a rascal at the penitentiary, it drops straight now him hand and the whole world in a misery. No gimmicks thing not in a it in a lollipop thing not in a it no nation people. So it take world boss to make the man them know say well then the girl them forget a smack or two on them lip. World boss don't give the girl a tongue bath nor a pull out no tongue business, you know. It's just a look at tat and some. Kiss me baby. A look at smack on the rascal lip. And the whole blood clot dancehall on internet in a friendly. Then uno can chat to we. Eh? So all who that talk about them a king and them a this and them a bumbo clot that uno have impact like that. Uno ever do nothing like that in our blood clot life. Remember, it's not a song the world boss dropping on my brother. No gimmicks thing not in a it, no lollipop thing not in a it, you know. Uno have them type of impact there. Yeah, gonna is no match at all to the world boss. Nobody. You see what I say, the greatest thing dancehall ever bumbo clot witness. You hear that? No gimmicks thing not in a it. You see what I deal on this and the G can't get old to the game. The game a fee more than him make it with the bumbo clot do no. You know gimmicks thing not in a me game, you know. No lollipop thing not in a it, you know. You know how I represent in Gaza where they ain't no other way, you know. The world boss make every vendetta blood clot vlogger switch and want to be Gaza. You and want to talk good on the behalf of the blood clot world boss. But you don't know me a concrete step in a nation people. Me not allow them for blood clot do that, you know. Say anything, you know, we rise up and walk come forward them way there, you know. Me a go step in on, you know, say from me step anything was shaky, you know. Half a broke off, you know, no gimmicks bumbo clot business not dead about it. Not to all them blood clot satties and crutches slaughter the G name when the G in there, when them feel like say no hope not dead for the G come out. And when the G drop a blood clot road and them see the loud explosion when necessary equipment kick off in the blood clot street and on the internet. Now everybody want switchy. Bumbo clot, it won't be my pleasure for kick nastiness in them blood clot face on the internet. Now gimmicks thing not dead about it. You know how long me I wait over blood clot 13 years. You don't think you can get where running where? Not bumbo clot over Gaza nation. I promise all of you that bumbo clot. And me no need no help for step on nastiness. Cause everybody know me a concrete stepper. And when me step, whatever shaky blood clot about the place, after broke off. No gimmicks thing not in a big game nation people, not no lollipop thing not in a it. So the world boss forward and dancehall change instantly. Who no see now the blood clot party them? All the old song them becomes like a brand new song when dust release. I saw the people them are going in at the party and I saw the selector them are going. Yo vloggers, you have a feast for the rest of the blood clot era. Beer soup with food in a it. All you have to do is strain off the soup and eat beer food. On behalf of the blood clot world boss, a real blood clot viral king, a real dancehall patriot. Remember tell you something, the best dancehall ever see. You hear me? The best dancehall ever see. No boy can go around that and no boy can pass that. No man in a dancehall not even have half of that bumbo clot impact. Watch where go on out the street. The whole of the orange kerchief them done on the street. You can't go on the street side, go get no orange kerchief from nobody who sell no blood clot kerchief out there. You hear that? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. And the white clothes them look like them soon done off to anything you wear in a white look like it's soon blood clot done off. Once it gone Versace it a go blood clot done off. No gimmicks business na there night now, no lollipop thing na in a it, you know. Pussy clot. You ever see nothing like that, my brother? Eh? A simple orange kerchief. Blood clot. You can't get one for buy right now. I must green on I got blood clot get. No orange and no red no dep on the stall no more. To pussy clot. World boss, are you in charge? You hear that? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You know long dance all I wait for you. I just say present dance all it's shorter. And from the G drop a blood clot road a loud explosion. Una see that? Una see that? Come push up on yourself and run on a mouth about this and that no. Una ever do such bomber clot shit ever in the country. Won't ever do where people ever get up and run with like that. Yo, una go sit down blood clot one side and watch greatness take over. You see what I say? Me always I tell you now, the world boss always a blaze the trail, set the fraction and the blood clot splits. Me tell you say the world boss is not a sprinter. Him bred for do the distance. Over bomber clot 13 year and change. And the G still firm and solid no bomber ass clot. And the general in a nation people. Big up the whole of Federal Gaza. Federal Music Entertainment FME. Big up the whole of Rosetown, the whole of Denantown, the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Jonestown, the whole of Jungle, the whole of Arnett Garden, the whole of Federal Larger, Waterford. Una see the badness already. The world boss touch the road and the whole of the clip them load. What? And the general 10-star wanna represent nation people. Orange. Sell off. And I don't mean the fruit when name orange. I mean the orange color, the kerchief then. What? Kissing girl in a public. Beg ya kiss baby. Kiss me baby. I lead the internet by a merry dance. What?